Hello, welcome to another Microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. Today we are going to create a game called Hot Potato. That's why I've got a potato on my desk here. So when you start, press it button A, it starts a timer and you pass it between two people or a whole group of people until that sound happens. And the person that's holding the potato or the microbit when that sound happens is the person who's out. So that is Hot Potato. Let's get coding. So to create our Hot Potato game, I'm going to create a new project. And for this one, we are not going to need OnStarter forever. We're just going to need button A. So button A is going to start the timer to get it going. So we need a timer. Our timer is going to be a variable. So I'm going to make a variable and call it timer. Then once I've made the variable, I'm going to set the variable to something, and that's going to be in math, and I'm going to pick a random number between 5 and 15. So set timer to pick random between 5 and 15. Then I'm going to show an icon, and that icon is going to be here. You can choose what you have your icon. I just feel that that's quite a nice one for when it's counting down. Then I'm going to have a loop. Now we're going to use a while loop. So this means, in fact, it gives a good instruction when you run it. Run the same sequence of actions while the condition is met. So while something is happening, it will do whatever you put inside. So we want while and go into comparison. We want this comparison one, that we want to change the symbol to face the other way. So we're going to have while timer is greater than 0, we're going to change the timer, so change timer, by, keep the 1, but put a little minus sign before the 1. So this means while the timer is less than 0, it'll change it by -1. We then want to add a pause, and we're going to add a pause of 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So that means while the timer is greater than 0, it'll change the timer by -1 every 1 second. So that means that now the numbers that we've chosen up here are the timer, the countdown. So then finally, I would like a cross, so like a game over, and I will play a little melody. So I'm going to go into here, and in the melody advanced, we have play melody, and I'm going to have the whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's do it there. So that is our code for our hot potato. So if I press button A, we'll do a certain length of time, and then it'll make the sound. There we go. So download this onto your microbit, and I hope to see you in another video very soon.